All right, sorry about that. The last one ended a little bit premature, but essentially we had wrapped up. The property age is pretty self-explanatory. So now we move to customer priorities. This is going to look like an overwhelming amount of information, but it's not so bad. And the reason we have it in here as a table is because let's look at like total value of the property that you're interested in. I'm willing to pay. I'm willing to look at a bigger, um, a more expensive nineplex than I am a single family house, right? Personally, I'm not interested in a $400,000 house, but if it's a 9 unit, then I'm interested. Same thing with commercial, same thing with land. So that's essentially what you're looking to establish here is, what is your favorite um, price in here? So we have 0 to 20,000, 20,000 to 55,000, then 55,000 to. So the way it works here, and this is really on both of them, it's 0 to this. So when you're saying this number, it's the gap between the number to the left of it and the number one down from it. So 55,000 to 250,000 is a 5. That's my ideal. Now here's something cool about this page that we can do as well, because especially with value, everything's very different. In Bay Area, these numbers wouldn't make sense, and in Louisiana, these numbers may not make sense. So you can actually adjust these numbers in addition to adjusting these numbers. So if all these numbers need to be millions for your area, that's fine. If all these numbers need to be under 100,000 for your area, that's fine too. So you can take and adjust the numbers on the left in addition to adjusting the numbers on the right. So again, this is just targeting into your favorite buy box in terms of numbers. Same thing for land, multi-unit, etc. Now, for me, where I'm not interested in commercial, I should probably just zero these out because I don't want commercial, period. So I'm going to leave all these as a 0. But, condos I want, and 2 to 9 units I want. So, yeah, that's essentially the total values. Same thing with living area. Exact same rules apply. And same thing with lot size. Exact same rules apply. So essentially, it's just 3 ways of looking at things, but where you would look at them a little different. Because especially with lot size, if you're buying condos, lots are going to abide by different rules than single-family homes. And same thing with land. If you're interested in land, maybe you're interested in huge developments. Maybe you're only interested in small. The rules may differ. So just looking for your preference there. And that's essentially what I've got for this page.